Hola from Fuerteventura. We made it in one piece from Kos.
Yes, and it's beautiful here. It's really sunny, really hot, but windy at the same time, which makes the heat really bearable. And the landscape is really unique here.
Yeah, it's definitely something else. We didn't know what to expect when we came here, and it's unique. We have a bunch of volcanoes and lava rock and not much else, so...
The plan for today is to hike up one of the volcanoes, and we'll be able to show you some of the landscape and scenery then.
Exactly, so stay tuned. We're here. We're gonna start our hike. It looks insane. This is the real test for the Dji Mavic. It can handle these winds, it can handle anything. So far, it did Mallorca winds, which was already pretty wild, and Kos was no problem either, which is also a very windy place. But this beats everything we've encountered so far in terms of wind, so we'll see. See how she does.
Huh?
So I f***ed up again. No SD card for this guy. We're gonna make the trip back and come back here again. It really sucks, but fuck. Like, that's the second time now. Yes.
I got bread for those little like squirrels that are supposed to be around here.
Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Lots of them. So many of them. Look at that. They love it. They love it. I don't know if you can see it on here, but these guys are coming from everywhere in the crater. Word's getting out really quickly that there's food here.
We found the squirrel kind of animals. In German they're called Atlashörnchen. It's a really cute name, I find. So we keep calling them Atlashörnchen. And yeah, so cute, and there were so many of them. I mean, you just saw the footage, so we found the spot.
With Fuerteventura being such a dusty, sandy, dead island, the dust that collects on the car is insane. So we're gonna clean it up here and pick up a new one tomorrow.
Vega de Rio Palmas, and we're about to explore a riverbed, or just like walk along a riverbed, and then apparently it's gonna lead us to a chapel, so we'll find out.
Yes, we'll find out. So we found a little chapel, and I don't even have words for this place. It's pretty magical. Never seen anything like this before. It's pretty sweet.
So we're about to take a water taxi to Lobos Island, which is really close to Fuerteventura. We think it's about a 15-minute ride with a water taxi. So yeah, we're super excited to check it out.
It's a windy one. We made it to Lobos Island, and this is basically just a volcano and some lava rock. That's it, really. But the water's crystal clear, so we're just gonna go snorkeling right away. There goes a sight from my soul.
We're stuck on Lobos. Well, not exactly, but we decided to start Maurice, even though we knew we're cutting it kind of late with our water taxi back to Fuerteventura. So now we're not sure if we missed it or not. And the next one is supposed to be full, so we might have to wait until 7:30. But we're not even sure if we missed our water taxi, because coming here it was already 20 minutes late, so who knows?
We'll see.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Early morning.
Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Okay, it's already time to say goodbye to Fuerteventura. We're at our gate right now, ready to board our flight to Frankfurt, Germany. And we had an amazing time in Coralejo. Big thanks again to Gloria and Rüdi for having us. It was a really super chill time, and we'll definitely come back. So, see you guys.
If you enjoyed watching this right now, please make sure you like this video and you subscribe to our channel.